To make mashed potatoes, you need to peel and cut 2 large russet potatoes into large chunks, roughly the same size so the potato will cook evenly. Then place them into a pot and cover with cold water. Add a pinch of sea salt and slowly bring to a boil. Then simmer for about 10 minutes until a knife inserted into the potato goes in effortlessly, but the potato still holds its shape. Then strain off the water and allow the potatoes to steam for a few minutes. While the potatoes are still warm but not steaming, press them through a potato ricer. Ricing the potato will make them light and fluffy after a little liquid is added to them. To make the classic roasted garlic mashed potato side dish a la minute, add 15 grams of butter to a saucepan with about a half a cup or 125 milliliters of milk, a roasted garlic clove mashed up, and bring the mixture to a quick simmer. Season with salt and pepper, then whisk in the rice potato until the light and fluffy consistency is achieved, and serve warm.